I bet you didn't know that Caribbean cuisine is a delicious mix of African, European, and Asian flavors. This unique blend of culinary traditions has created a vibrant and diverse food culture that is unlike any other in the world. From the spicy and savory to the sweet and tangy, Caribbean cuisine offers a taste experience that is both rich and varied. Let's dive into the vibrant world of Caribbean cuisine. Imagine walking through a bustling street market, the air filled with the tantalizing aromas of freshly cooked food. Vendors call out, offering samples of their delicious dishes, each one a testament to the region's rich culinary heritage. This incredible food isn't just about flavors, it's a tapestry of history and culture. Each dish tells a story, a narrative woven from the threads of Indigenous, African, European, and Asian influences. It's a culinary journey through time, where every bite connects you to the past. Woven from Indigenous, African, European, and Asian influences. The Indigenous people of the Caribbean laid the foundation with their traditional cooking methods and local ingredients. When African slaves were brought to the islands, they brought with them their own culinary traditions, which blended seamlessly with the existing food culture. The arrival of European settlers introduced new ingredients and cooking techniques, further enriching the culinary landscape. Asian immigrants, particularly from India and China, added their own unique flavors and dishes to the mix, creating a truly global cuisine. But here's the challenge: truly recognizing and appreciating the rich heritage behind each dish. It's easy to enjoy the delicious flavors of Caribbean food, but understanding the history and cultural significance behind each dish adds a deeper level of appreciation. These recipes have been passed down through generations, each one a cherished part of the region's cultural heritage. Caribbean cuisine isn't just a random mix, it's a culinary tale of survival, adaptation, and celebration. The food reflects the resilience and creativity of the people who have called the Caribbean home. It's a testament to their ability to adapt and thrive in the face of adversity, of survival, adaptation, and celebration. Take the famous jerk chicken, for example. This dish is a spicy testament to resilience and ingenuity. Originating from the Maroons, escaped African slaves in Jamaica, jerk chicken is a perfect example of how Caribbean cuisine has been shaped by history. The Maroons used local ingredients and traditional African cooking techniques to create a dish that is now a staple of Caribbean cuisine. The smoky, spicy flavors of jerk chicken are a reflection of the Maroons' resourcefulness and their ability to adapt to their new environment. Take the famous jerk chicken, for example. Originating from the Maroons, escaped African slaves in Jamaica, this dish is a spicy testament to resilience. Or consider roti, an Indian influence, wrapped up in Caribbean warmth and flavor. Brought to the Caribbean by Indian indentured laborers, roti has become a beloved part of the region's food culture. It's a perfect example of how Caribbean cuisine has been enriched by the diverse cultures that have come to the islands. Or consider roti, an Indian influence wrapped up in Caribbean warmth and flavor. The soft, flaky bread is perfect for scooping up flavorful curries and stews, making it a versatile and delicious addition to any meal. One key moment in Caribbean food history: the introduction of sugarcane by the Europeans. This sweet crop transformed the region's economy and diet forever. Sugarcane plantations became a major part of the Caribbean landscape, and the crop's influence can still be seen in the region's cuisine today. One key moment in Caribbean food history: the introduction of sugarcane by the Europeans, which transformed the region's economy and diet forever. The cultivation of sugarcane led to the development of rum, a spirit that is now synonymous with the Caribbean. The production of sugar and rum brought significant cultural exchange as people from different parts of the world came to the Caribbean to work on the plantations. This sweet crop brought significant cultural exchange that spiced up the culinary landscape. The introduction of new spices and ingredients from around the world has added depth and complexity to Caribbean cuisine, making it a true melting pot of flavors. So next time you savor a Caribbean dish, remember, you're tasting centuries of cultural fusion and history. Each bite is a celebration of the diverse cultures that have come together to create this unique and delicious cuisine. So, next time you savor a Caribbean dish, remember, you're tasting centuries of cultural fusion and history. The rich tapestry of Caribbean cuisine is a testament to the resilience, creativity, and adaptability of the people who have called the Caribbean home. What's your favorite Caribbean dish? Is it the spicy jerk chicken, the flavorful roti, or perhaps a sweet treat made with sugarcane? Whatever it is, each dish has a story to tell, a history to share. What's your favorite Caribbean dish? Drop it in the comments and stay tuned for our next culinary adventure around the world. We'll continue to explore the rich and diverse food cultures that make our world so deliciously unique. For our next culinary adventure around the world,